This video will demonstrate how to install the Leviton 5980 Extra Duty While in Use cover. Please be certain to follow all instructions and diagrams provided with the product. If you're unsure about any part of the instructions or you're not comfortable or familiar with working with electrical wiring, contact an electrician. When installing this device, have the following tools on hand: a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a handheld voltage tester, and a small tube of silicone sealant. Installation takes approximately 15 minutes. The process shown follows general guidelines. Local codes take precedence. To start, evaluate the surface where you're installing the cover. The Leviton While in Use cover is specifically designed for installation over smooth, flat surfaces such as metal siding, vinyl siding, or clapboard. You should avoid mounting over irregular surfaces which could interfere with the integrity of the cover's gasket seating. If your mounting surface does have irregularities, you will need to use a silicone sealant to ensure proper sealing. Remove the existing cover and the outlet mounting screws. Be sure to turn the power off at the circuit breaker and use a voltage tester to ensure that the power is completely off. Before proceeding with the installation, it's important to inspect the current outlet to ensure it's working and meets local building and electrical codes. If it looks corroded, worn, or is not a weather-resistant GFCI or outlet, it's time to change the device as well as the cover. An easy way to tell if an outlet is weather-resistant is to look for the WR symbol molded onto the front. Next, you'll need to select the proper adapter for the outlet being used. The Leviton Extra Duty While in Use cover comes packaged with a rectangular opening to accommodate Decora outlets and SmartLock Pro ground fault circuit interrupter outlets. Duplex and single outlet adapters are also included. If your installation requires the use of an adapter, place the required adapter into the back of the product, making sure that it is flush with the back cover and behind the gasket. Be sure the lettering "This side faces wall" is properly oriented for the installation. In this installation, we can proceed using the rectangular opening. In the package, you will find two inserts to cover the cord openings. Placing the plastic inserts into the slots will help prevent insects, moisture, and debris from entering into the cover while it's not being used. Be sure the surface that will meet up with the base of the cover is clean. If the surface is rough or uneven, apply silicone caulk. Carefully place the cover against the surface where it will be mounted, aligning the existing wall box or device mounting screw holes. Insert the included screws and tighten firmly. Test the cover to ensure it is working properly by carefully pressing on the latch and pulling the cover open. Restore power at the circuit breaker. Test to ensure that the outlet is working properly. If needed, apply the silicone sealant around the perimeter of the mounted cover to seal up any gaps. The installation is complete. Your Leviton While in Use cover is now ready for use. For more information about this Leviton device, visit leviton.com.